like the night that's in the end. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, bodies humming on and on. Every step a promise, already met. Breathing in the dark with no road. Whoa, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, and no regret. Shoes in your fingers, you sway barefoot on the tile. Moon leaking through the window, catching every quiet smile. We missed every warning, phones dead, stories unread. But your pulse under my thumb says we chose this life instead. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, bodies humming on and on. Every step a promise we already met. Breathing in the dark with no regret. Whoa, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, and no regret. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, bodies humming on and on. Every step a promise we already met. Breathing in the dark with no regret. Oh, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, breath. Your hand in mine, floor is almost empty. DJ packing record, but he leaves this rhythm running. Saw sweat at your temple, salt on my lip when we spin. Your laugh in my shoulder, like the night that's in the end. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, bodies humming on and on. Every step a promise already met. Breathing in the dark with no road. Whoa, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, and no regret. Shoes in your fingers, you sway barefoot on the tile. Moon leaking through the window, catching every quiet smile. We missed every warning, phones dead. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, body coming on and on. Every step a promise we already met. Breathing in the dark with no regret. Oh, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, and no regret. Turn and stay closer than we planned. Oh yeah. If the sun finds us, let it find us like this. Eyes half closed, still moving in places. This is goodbye, let it taste like your face. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, bodies humming on and on. Every step a promise we already met. Breathing in the dark with no regret. Oh, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, red. Your hand in mine. Floor is almost empty. DJ packing record, but he leaves this rhythm running. Saw sweat at your temple, salt on my lip when we spin. Your laugh in my shoulder, like the night that's in the end. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, bodies humming on and on. Every step a promise we already met. Breathing in the dark with no road. Whoa, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, and no regret. Shoes in your fingers, you sway barefoot on the tile. Moon leaking through the window, catching every quiet smile. We missed every warning, phones dead, stories unread. But your pulse under my thumb says we chose this life instead. This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, bodies coming on and on. Every step a promise we already met. Breathing in the dark with no regret. Oh, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft sweat, slow smile, and no regret.
Yo, good morning, beautiful people. What's up? What's up? Oh, where's the music? Where's the music? Okay, guys, here we go. We got some new tunes today. Today's a special day. I'm actually going to request today, guys. I'm going to be requesting payout live for you all. Yeah. I'll tell you why and what I'm thinking. I have a plan behind this. So, before we get into the whole plan of today, how's the chat doing? I see that everybody's active. People are loving the music. Yeah, guys, I'm putting on some Afro House today. Friday. Friday, baby. Just enjoy the music, man. This better wake you up. If you're in America right now and it's 4 or 5 a.m., wake up, bro. Wake up. And let me get the chat up on the screen, guys. Let me get the chat up on the screen. And then we can get rocking and rolling, yeah? Sweet. Alright, chat. Yo, this music is slapping today. We'll talk EMA and analysis soon. We'll do a little breakdown soon. I did start a little bit earlier today. But let me just turn this down a bit. Yeah, I did start a bit earlier today. I'll explain why. Okay, so Mike, what's up? Who's in the chat, by the way? We got Silver. Yeah, we got Silver back in there. We got Ozzy. Yo, Ozzy, what's up, brother? We got somebody new. Ramona Spice. Ramona Spice is in chat. Okay, we got some of the locals in there. Okay, cool. All right, so guys, as you all know, when I first started streaming on YouTube with you guys... Oh, hold on. It's very loud, guys. Alright, so as you all know, when I started streaming on YouTube with you guys, I started with this 200k account that you see at the top here, right? I grew it to $20,000 in profit. It's currently sitting on 17,350. Okay? I've been waiting to find a trade where I can push it back into 20k so I can take a 10k payout, okay? With that 60% profit split, which will give me a $6,000 payout. I want to leave over a 10k buffer in the account because my goal for this account is to keep trading it until I get to the daily payouts, because that's my long-term goal with this account. So the bigger buffer I have, the easier it's going to be for me to get to those daily payouts. This account, this in particular 200k account, it's its first payout. So it goes through 3 cycles before it goes on that daily payout. You got the 60% split, then you got the 70, then the 80% split, and then it's the daily payouts. So right now I'm on the first cycle of the first payout, which I'm going to be taking live in front of you guys. And the reason I'm taking this payout is because there's no, you know what, requesting the full 7k out of there and receiving about $4,000, I'm happy with that. I'm happy with the $4,000 payout. That's after the split, obviously, in my account today. And we're going to take it live. And we're going to see how quickly this payout is going to hit my bank today. I have no idea. I honestly, if I'm going to be completely damn honest with you, I don't know how long this payout's going to take. Last payout I took about 20 minutes. The last payout I took about 20 minutes, yeah? Let's see. It's Friday. I don't know what's happening in the Funder Pro offices. I don't know. I actually have no idea. So let's see how long this payout's going to take today. It'll be very, very, very cool if it can be very quick and instant, because I would like this payout to hit my account before I take a trade on this account. I need the balance to be, I need the profits to be taken out my balance before I request this payout. So, I mean, once I request the payout. So let's see, we're going to request the payout shortly after doing a breakdown and everything. There's no rush right now. I want to wait for maybe more people to get on, because I know a lot of people have been asking about the payout. So I'm going to try to do it for as many of you guys today, yeah. Yo, Lerner, what's up, what's up? Yo, we got some friends in the chat. Okay, guys. Let's talk breakdown. How many people are currently on stream? Important. Oh, man. How many people are currently on stream? Okay, wow, it's a whole 40 of you already. Okay, crazy. Guys, if you have not already, drop a like. Start running the likes up. Come on, come on, come on. Stop. I'm stumbling. Start running the likes up, chat. Come on. Just show some love. Right? You know the vibes. You know the drill. Okay? And then we're going to start chart break. If you guys want me to break down the chart right now, all of you better hit that like button, yeah? Right now. You got 2 seconds. Okay? Okay. So guys, breakdown. Let's get on that daily time frame. Yeah, let's get on that daily time frame. Okay, I have something to speak about because honestly, every day all those haters that come on the chat and start trying to tell me how to trade, every time they come back the next day and they're quiet, right? They're quiet because the chart does exactly what I say it's going to end up doing every time. Well, not every time, majority of the time, right? So, yesterday I spoke about how I am waiting for NQ to get into the 30,000s, right? Which is up by this green line. Now, the reason I said the 30,000s is because overall, we are extremely bullish on Nasdaq on the daily time frame. Look how bullish we are. Okay, this pullback we had was minor, just a minor pullback. Okay, it's normal for the market to pull back and potentially continuing higher. Okay, now we pulled back below the EMA, and then when we had that closure back above, I said, guys, if we break that high of that daily candle closure, there's a high probability we are going to maybe continue going higher into all-time highs, okay? Since we've broken, what day are we? Wednesday's high, we have been pushing higher, okay? Today's candle opened up and we immediately created a top wick. There's no bottom wick on that candle yet. So maybe there's going to be a pullback for sure on today's candle, okay? Overall, I do think we need to go up to 30,000, but maybe we're going to have a pullback today to then continue higher, or we're going to just have a minor pullback and the New York session price moves higher. I don't know just yet. I'm going to follow what the market's giving me, okay? That's the most important thing. Follow what the market's doing, yeah? And if you're stressed, guys, some guy yesterday, a person I know, he lives in Australia. Yesterday on one of my posts, he commented, if you're stressed, just relax. I was laughing because that's so funny. And he speaks facts though. If you're stressed and you don't know what's happening in the market, just relax. Yeah, just relax. It's okay. We've got so much time to analyze and wait and be patient for the perfect trade. Yeah, we have so much time. So I'm just reading the chat. Okay. So, cool. The daily is currently pulling back, right? What's that 4 hourly doing? $4 hourly. We opened up. We've grabbed some highs. Ooh, interesting. I think we could maybe have a pullback, depending. This 4 hourly rejection is heavier. This 4 hourly opened. We spiked, grabbed some of previous highs, and we flipped back bearish. Okay? I need to quickly redraw my levels, guys. I left these on from yesterday. Sorry, man. Okay. Let's see where this could be pulling back into. We do have EMA back below. Price could maybe be pulling back into EMA. For some reason, I do think this pullback might be bigger than what I think. I don't know just yet. Look at this hourly. Ooh. If this hourly closes below EMA, that could confirm shorts lower. Definitely, it can. It can. If I put some key levels on, I'll put a level up there. That's a good level. We can see there's a solid there. The price is struggling to get above. I would put a level. Wow, interesting. I'm gonna stay down there for now. So I'm gonna keep these two as my levels for now. If we do close below EMA, maybe price wants to come down into this level, which is sitting at the 350s. Yeah, 350s. And if I go to the high time frame, that 350 level, let's mark off. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna mark off yesterday's low. Yeah. Let me mark off yesterday's low, and I'm gonna mark off today's open. So I'm just trying to see something, guys. I'm just trying to. I haven't even analyzed today. I just want to see something, bro. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So obviously yesterday's low. Sorry, guys. Obviously yesterday's low is down here at the bottom. Yesterday's low sitting at the 9100 area. Okay. We do have a double bottom there. There could be liquidity resting below here, okay, that price can maybe sell off into, but we need to see price break through the 350s in order to get into the 9100 if it was to short down there, okay, if it was to short. That's a nice range to play. If we can get below today's open, which is at 450, yeah, if we can get below that open, we can maybe sell off into the 350. So we need to look at it like level steps. Think of just taking one step at a time down, yeah? Now, I think we can maybe short into the 450 today's open. And the reason I say that is because we don't have a bottom wick on today's daily candle. So we could maybe, just maybe short into today's open, which is not so far away currently. So to short into this level down here, which is sitting at the 450s, is quite high. We can easily short down into here. So maybe I personally, guys, I am taking the payout soon, so I don't want to take a trade right now. But if I see the setup, I'll definitely show it. But there could be a short into the 450 level down here, right? It could. I don't see why it couldn't. It's not far. There's a lot of selling volume coming. This 50-minute short was clean, man. Look at this, guys, how we were above EMA. We closed back below on the 50. Guys, did anybody take that? Did anybody take that short in the chat? Who took that short? I know someone did. Did someone take that 50-minute closure back below EMA? After getting under that level. I wonder if somebody took that. That's a very, very, very clean short. And if you guys know the entry system, you know that's a good short, man. Okay, let's go to the 5-minute now. Short 29,583. Jeez, bro, that's insane, man. 257 Joker, dude, very nice trade, brother. That's up here somewhere. Okay. So I'm on the 5-minute, guys. Maybe there can be an entry short into the 450, which is in today's open, because there's no bottom wick on the daily. Looks like price is going to try get into that daily open. So let's just be patient and see. Let's just be patient. 3 times stop me out. Blow up my accounts before continue drop. I was saying yesterday, there's nothing worse than revenge trading, blowing your accounts, and then the move actually happens and you miss out on the move you were trying to catch because you revenge trade. If you take a loss, wait a little bit longer for another good entry. Don't enter so many times in a short space of time, because obviously price is not wanting to move just then. Yo, Jot Singh, congrats, dude. 593. Amazing short, bro. I'm telling you now, you can hold this thing into 450. If I was you, bro, I mean, honestly, I don't know how big profits you're running right now, but that's a nice trade you're in, dude. Very nice trade. I rate you could easily hold this into 450s. Price is going, huh? Price is going into this 450s, dude. And I rate, if we get below this 450s, we might have a spike down, because we're going to need to create the bottom wick of the daily candle. So if we get, if we break through the 450s, we can probably hit the 400s. This is my call. Yeah, it's gonna be 450, man. Guys, 450. If you're an experienced trader and you understand daily candles or just candle analysis, right? Aussie, I think Aussie Trader knows it because he does speak a lot of facts in the chat. He has, I know for a fact, he's got knowledge. The 450, guys, price 9,450. Yeah, I'm zooming up. This is the daily candle. There is no bottom wick on today's candle. Yeah, look how we opened. We've created the top wick and now we're pulling back. The chances of this daily candle flipping red anytime soon is very, very high, which means that 450 is going to be the first target. If we can get below 450, you can target the 400, which is 50 points below that. Yeah, nice trade for the guys that took the short. Very nice trade, man. Unfortunately, I'm not in there, but that's okay. I'm going to be requesting payout soon, guys. Payout soon, live in front of all of you. Oh, guys, Cam Bam, dude, I have something for you, brother. Cam Bam, I have something for you. I'm trying to find it. Hold on. I'm trying to find it, bro. Hold on. Where is it? Oh, here it is. Okay, Cam. No, wrong one. Cam, I put a photo of me and you in the chat, dude. I don't know, you can't see it? Oh no. What the hell, bro? I think YouTube has... YouTube won't let me use that emoji, dude. YouTube... What the hell? Why is it like making it dark? Yeah, Cam did miss Cam Bam, dude. Okay, enough of this, enough. Okay, that was it. You've had your moment now. Enough. Blue Mango, what's up, brother? What's up, bro? I won't lie, guys. Every time I request a payout with Thunderproof Futures, I get so excited because I don't know how long it's going to take. I always like, every time they surprise me. I'm just going to wait for some more people to get on and then we can do some payout time and I'll show you guys how the process works. And also, it'll be cool to take a payout in front of the people that actually don't know Thunderproof Futures. That's why I'm doing it live. I don't usually do live payout, but for the guys that don't know Thunderproof Futures, you're gonna see this. Like, this shit is real, bro. Thunderproof Futures is so real, and I'm gonna prove it to all of you guys. Okay, I'm gonna prove it to all of you guys. So get off other prop firms and just come taste Thunderproof Futures, bro. Just come and have a little bit of a taste. Your jawline is majestic. Thanks. Nobody ever said that. No, dude, I've got a big chin. I won't lie. I do have a big chin, dude. I'm not the biggest fan of it. I won't lie. But it's cool. Doesn't matter. We don't care though. I got a big chin, but I also got a big bank account, so it's alright. It's okay. Morning, Dean. Yeah, a lot of you guys have not heard of Thunderproof Futures. A lot of you haven't. You come on my stream because you're enjoying the show, you're enjoying the knowledge, but I need to... There's a reason I stream on Thunderproof Futures, guys, is because I believe so much in the product. If I wanted to stream on my own YouTube channel, I can do that. But I stream on Thunderproof Futures is because I've been trading with them for over 1 year consistently. Right, I'm always making sure I'm funded with them and I'm always getting payouts. So like this Blue Mango, this account, bro, is from the last 2 weeks. Remember I said, guys, this $17,000 in this account is from like when I first started streaming I've been waiting to take payout, but I've decided I'm gonna just take payout today. Like, I wanted to grow to 20k, but it's okay. I just feel like to take payout now. I've had enough of waiting. I'm just gonna take the payout. I'm gonna leave over a 10. I'm wanting to leave about $11,000 buffer in the account because I'm wanting to move to the daily payouts. So I'm gonna try to keep my buffer as big as possible with trying to still take a nice, juicy, chunky payout. I'm thinking long term. I'm not thinking short term. And don't come at me and say to me, bro, request the full 17k. I can probably request the full 17k. Well, I can, not can, probably. I can, but if I do that, then I lose the full account. Then I've got no more buffer left. But I really, really, really want to go to daily payouts with like a huge fucking buffer. I appreciate it, Blue Mango, though. Oh, what's popping? What's popping? Guys, for all the new people on the stream, drop a like, share the love. Come on, share the love. Share the love. Do I have a Discord? I do. But my Discord's quite quiet right now. I'm busy building something on my Discord community, guys, for next week. Okay, I'm busy putting something together, so it's going to be very active from next week. Just request 10k. No, dude, I don't want to. I'm happy to have between 4,000 to 5,000 payout today. I'm happy with that. Bear in mind, guys, I'm also taking payout from other firms as well today, not just Pro Futures. There are other firms as well that I'm taking a payout from today also. So everything together is going to be quite a nice add up. I'm just, with this account in particular, I really want to hit daily payouts. It's very rare for some traders to get moved to daily payouts, and I want to be one of them. It's a goal of mine. It's not easy though, at all. But if your buffer's big, then it becomes easier. That's the trick to it. So $1,000 for stream giveaway since you're sugar daddy. Oh my, shut up, Cambam. The hell is this, man? I'm already a sugar daddy for my fiance, dude. I can't afford more than just one. I'm sorry. I can just afford one sugar baby. Had a green day yesterday. I recovered from it. Oh, Nifa, congrats, girl. Super nice. You'll always recover from a tilt as long as you stick to your plan, right? You'll always recover. Okay? If you tilt, if you follow your plan the next day and you catch a good trade, you will recover. Easy. The problem is if you're in Europe, better take 5k before banks. Nah, dude. I get paid in crypto, brother. Pro Futures pays out in crypto, USDC, it's instant. The thing is, if I request now and they approve it, let's just say, straight away, for example, when the minute they approve the payout, it gets processed immediately. I will receive that payout straight away in my crypto wallet. Well done, Sandro. Oh, I just hit my first. Oh, nice! 257 Joker. Super nice, bro. Guys, look how we've pulled back into EMA on Nasdaq. Let's see what's going to happen from here. Yeah. It's super fast. You can do Rise. Right, you can do Rise or crypto. Rise or crypto. Oh, guys, sorry, my camera. Yeah, I'm busy watching NQ right now. Guys, right now it's at a point that's quite important. It's at EMA. If we get a nice rejection of EMA, that could be a good sign to maybe short into the 450s. I do think there's going to be another entry short for the guys that missed the first entry. I do think there's going to be another entry for sure. Yo guys, listen to Blue Mango. There's 83 of you watching. And how many likes? 33. This is pathetic, bro. This is pathetic, bro. All of you people not liking the stream right now. Pathetic. Pathetic. Anyways, guys, what's your plans for Friday? After you trade, what's your plans? My plan is, after stream, I'm going to go take the dog for a walk along the river. Then I'm going to go with my fiance to a cafe. It's a really beautiful day. We're going to sit in the sun, have a drink. I'm definitely craving a nice ice cold beer, bro. A super nice ice cold beer under the sun today with the dog and the family. After stream today, going to be super, super nice. So requesting payout, going out, spending the day at the family. Dude, that is honestly what trading is about. That's honestly what trading is about, and that's why I do it. I don't know why everybody has different reasons why they trade, but I trade because while I'm out having a beer under the sun with my family, everyone else is busy serving me, working their 9 to 5. That's why I trade, because I don't want to be the one working. Good morning, Brody. Happy Friday, world. Guinness, lots and lots of Guinness. Oh, Bloom. Honestly, bro, they've got Guinness where I live. I love Guinness. I love Guinness. But today I feel like an ice cold lager. I've been very good this week. I've been eating super healthy. I've been drinking so much water. Yeah. I deserve a beer, man. One or two beers I deserve. Yeah, follow me on Instagram. You'll see all the scenery stuff I post on my stories, man. Yo, Sarvesh, good morning, bro. Sarvesh, I'm finally going to request that payout you keep asking about, so get ready. I'm going to request it soon. I'm just waiting a little bit more, guys, to give you the action of the payout process. While I'm waiting for some of you guys, I'm going to just put in my wallet ID, my crypto address, so you guys don't see. Hold on a moment. Copy paste this. Hello, bro, go for water. Dude, I drink water. I drink almost 1.5 of these, 2 of these a day, dude. I drink so much water. And I don't know. For the guys that don't know, do you know Guinness is actually healthy for you? It's a fact. You can Google it or ChatGPT it. Guinness is actually healthy for your gut. I promise. I don't know how, but Guinness is healthy for your gut. Okay, guys, look at the 5 minutes. It looks like we might have the closure back below EMA. Imagine that, a nice Friday win as well, guys, to end the Friday off before going to go have a beer and requesting this payout. I don't know. I need to figure out, guys. I've never requested a payout live like I'm gonna do today. I need to figure out how I'm gonna do it. Hold on, so you guys can see that it's all legit. Just give me a moment, man. I want to show the email confirmation. So guys, what they do, right? My crypto wallet, where I request payout from the people that might be curious, I request into my USDC, which is in my Revolut. I use Revolut, guys, when it comes to my payouts. So in Revolut, you have a crypto wallet, and I use that USDC. And then the nice thing about the Revolut crypto wallet is I have a Revolut bank card on my Apple wallet that I can just use to pay for anything. And then I can also transfer from there into bank account. But if I can directly start using that money straight away with using my crypto card on Revolut. You guys can do that, by the way. It's super cool. For the guys that want to request crypto from Thunderpro Futures. And it's instant. It's super nice. I've given Guinness for my horses when they don't swat like they should. What? What? Guinness for your horses, bro. That's what trading's all about. You log in for a few hours from home. You don't have a boss breathing down your neck. You're stuck. Do you know what? That's why I quit. It is why I quit 9 to 5. It's why I quit 9 to 5. I won't lie, guys. For the guys that start trading, this is just me, but maybe, I don't know, some of you have it already, but when you start becoming really profitable, like over a long period of time, I'm talking maybe a year plus, and you start realizing how easy it is, and you're a full-time trader, when you start going out to places like the cafes or restaurants and stuff, every time I'm there, I look at these employees and I think to myself, damn, like, you're missing out on so much of life just by working here every single day. And I was one of them, right? I was one of those people at one point in my life. So I get so, like, when I see myself back in those days, when I think of myself working in restaurants when I was a chef, dude, I get so angry that I didn't actually work harder when I was younger, because now looking at it, it's so easy to stay out of those 9 to 5s using trading. And I'm just so grateful, man. I'm so grateful I didn't give up. And if there's any of you guys struggling right now, if there's any of you guys blowing accounts, don't give up, okay? Because trading is very, 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 very real, and it can change your life. And in order to do that, you need to seriously just start following your rules, start being disciplined, okay? And just stop rushing the process. The minute you start rushing the process, you start over risking, you start over trading, you start revenge trading. The minute you start rushing it, you can't rush greatness. You can't rush greatness, yeah? And that's a fact. You can't rush greatness, and that is a fact. So if you are going through struggling right now trading, that is extremely normal. Like, that's very, very, very normal. Okay, I was there for 3 years of my life, but I finally made it out. So if I made it out, you can make it out too. Just don't give up and just keep fighting, keep pushing, if you keep blowing accounts, that's cool. You're learning from it every time. You're eventually going to stop blowing accounts, and you're going to start requesting payouts out of them. I've breached 2 challenge recently. Yeah, that's okay, man. Move on from it. Don't let that eat you up. Yeah. Move on from it. Alright, guys, so let's get to the juice. You know what? Let's get to the juice. So, guys, I'm going to be requesting payout now. Okay, let me just make sure it's all there. Okay, so guys, if you look up on the screen, I've put in my crypto address. Okay, so you can see on the screen right now, this is where I'm requesting my payout. Okay, we're gonna. I need to figure out how much I want to request. Just give me a moment, guys. So yeah, I'm requesting payout right now. Out of this 200k account with Thunderpro Futures, it's currently sitting $17,350. Now, my goal for this account is to trade it until I get to daily payouts. And how to do that, I think the easiest way to do that is going to be by growing the buffer, but not taking max payouts at a time. I'm looking like I wanted to take about a $4,000 payout like I did 2 weeks ago again. Now the reason I'm wanting to take like a 4k payout is because I'm wanting to leave just over $10,000 in the account, right, as my buffer. Okay, so then when I get my next payout, I can still keep another 10k in, because when I get moved to the daily payouts, I'm wanting to have about $10,000. So I need to work out how much, because right now there's a 60% split. So whatever I request, I'm going to get 60% of that. So I'm just looking at my calculator on my phone. 6,000. The 17 I need to request. Let me ask ChatGPT to tell me exactly. I'm very specific with this because I have a plan. Okay, so I'm going to request 6,685. This is what ChatGPT said I must do to receive $4,000, right? So I'm going to be requesting just under $7,000 out this account. I'm going to get 60% split from that, which will equal to about $4,000. So I'm going to be requesting this. What kind of sketch firm is this, bro? Do you want to see how sketchy this firm is? You're going to see how quickly they're going to pay me. Let's see. So I'm going to request this payout. Okay, payout has been requested. Yeah. So now, let's see. Let's go to my email. Fuck, I'm trying to figure out how to share. I don't want to share too many of my emails. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm gonna go to my email quick. Let me go to the email. Hold on. Sorry, guys. I'm just trying to load it up, just to prove to you guys. Okay, here we go. So I've got the confirmation now. Why is it taking so long to load, bro? Oh, sorry guys, it's loading, I got other emails here, I just don't want to be shown just yet. Okay, cool, so it's on the screen now. I'm just gonna reshare. Okay, cool. So you guys can see, here's the confirmation email I've just received. Yeah. And for you, if you don't believe me, the time, where's the time? Okay, here. Here's the time. Check there. This was right now. Yeah. 11:55 a.m. Oh, sorry, there, the top right corner. You can see it there, right? 11:55 a.m. about 0 minutes ago. So there, there's my confirmation. So let's see now how long this is going to take. The time is now, it's like 12 o'clock my time. Let's see. Why is the split 60%? The split 60% because it's your first payout. And it's a futures, bro. Listen. There's basically no future firms that allow you to take an 80% split. Thunderpro Futures does, but only after your second payout you can move to 80% split with daily payout. Yeah. Guys, the minute my balance has dropped $7,000, we know that they have processed the payout. Just watch. I hope it's quick, man. I don't know. I can't say. I hope for you guys it's quick. I hope for you guys it's quick today. It'll be so cool, man, if it was, but we don't know. Where is the place located? What place, brother? Please be more specific. You need to be more specific. Other firms have a big buffer. Zenon, I would love to know what firms are telling you get a 90% split, bro. Because if you're talking about other firms, like I'm going to bring up some names. If you're talking about TopStep and all of them, you can only request 50% of your freaking buffer, dude. You can't request the full buffer. Do you know the great part about FunderPro Futures, bro? You can request $100,000 out of one account. There is uncapped payout, dude. So yes, there's a 60% split. But if you request 100K, you will get it paid. That's the difference. So yes, there's a 60% split, but there's uncapped payout. There's not one prop firm that does an uncapped payout at 80% split, and FunderPro Futures does that. Anyways, it's cool. Everyone's got their opinion, but I like to get things straight. Let's just be straight, like about this, because I'm gonna put that out there one time. Yeah, it's rad, bro. It's rad. Like seriously, it's rad. Like I get where you're coming from for sure, but yeah, dude, it's rad. Wesley, I am South African, dude. I live crypto payout. Yeah, I just requested in crypto now. I'm gonna just check my email, see if they processed. I don't know. Okay, it's been 5 minutes since I've requested, right? 5 minutes. Let's change the music to maybe bring the good luck to this payout. I swear, I hope they make this quick. Let's change the music, chat. Music. This was a cool one, I think. Yeah. You guys said you liked this song. Zenon, yeah, dude, the link is pinned in the chat. You'll see. Definitely go grab one. You can even use my code 5am club, brother, and you can get a cheeky discount as well to show some support for me. But yeah, it's sick, bro. It's super, super cool, dude.
Like the night that's in the end. This is our last dance before dawn.
Does that FunderPro URL give you credit? Yeah, it does, dude. It's my link, guys. I put my affiliation link up there, guys, because every time you use that link, it supports me, man, and it makes me, and it's the reason I'm here streaming for you guys. You know what I mean? So by me streaming for you guys, when you use that link, it really supports me, man, and just keeps keeps me wanting to keep giving you guys more and more and more every day. Okay, guys, we had the 5 minute. Oof, guys, I can't take this trade right now on this account, right? I can't, because I've just requested the payout. But this could be an entry, guys. 5 minute close back below EMA. I'm not taking this trade, okay, chat. I am not taking this trade, but this is the entry there. 450 is the target, right? This is a trade I would take if I wasn't in this payout process now. You know what? Something I do know, guys. Something I do know, right? Is that I do understand why a lot of people are like having preference over other firms. But something I can say right now is watch. I am doing everything I can on my side to try create Funder Pro Futures to start releasing maybe really good products, really good accounts. Trust me, I know what a good account is and I know exactly what you guys are wanting. Yeah, I'm doing everything in my power right now, and if who knows, maybe in the future Funder Pro is going to start coming out with really exciting future accounts. Maybe, just maybe. I can't say anything now, but just hang in there. You know, hang in there. But I know exactly what you guys are wanting out of an account. I know. There, the sell-off's happening. There we're having the sell-off, guys. It's a pity I'm not in this trade. It's a pity I'm not in this trade. Yo, what a trade, man. 450s as we called it. Dan, I'm looking for the website and what does it mean for sessions, 5 days of 200 at minimum profit. So basically, in order to request a payout, you need to have 5 winning days of $200 or more. So you need to close off 5 days with more than $200. They don't have to be consecutive. They can be over a few weeks. It doesn't matter. But that's kind of the standard. A lot of prop firms do that. That is kind of the standard now. It's very easy though, dude. It's very easy. You just need to make sure you, on your winning days, your profits are just more than $200. The thing is consistency and funded. I completely agree with you, bro. It's not the easiest thing, right? But something I do know for sure is that there might be something better coming along. Okay, obviously I can't speak on anything just yet because there's really nothing being said, but I do believe from the bottom of my heart. Sorry guys, this thing's so. I do believe from the bottom of my heart that Funder Pro Futures is going to start making this product amazing. I see it. I see it. The back end, they're amazing people. I speak to them all the time. They always like to take input, and I give them the input. So let's see what the future brings. But right now, these accounts that I'm trading on are honestly really nice. They're really nice still. You just got to be patient. You just got to be patient, and it's not hard to receive payouts. I've requested probably like 8 to 9 payouts now on these 200k accounts. So it's not hard. You just have to know what to do. You need to grow your buffer, bro. That's all. Will they pay 100k withdrawal? Dude, if you follow all your rules, like, and if you don't do any fishy stuff, like if you don't hedge or if you don't do anything weird, they will pay, dude. Like, they won't not pay you. Like, if you're going to start hedging and if you're going to start cheating the system or doing things you shouldn't be doing, then yeah, the chances of you getting paid will be slim because prop firms are watching everything you're doing on those accounts. But if you follow the rules, they should pay you. I don't see why. I've never had a denied payout, right? I've requested a $10,000 payout, I've got paid. In total, payouts I've requested have been maybe $30,000 from them. I've never been denied a payout, so 30 or 40, I don't know, but I've never been denied a payout. Wesley, bro, it's EMA 9. It's EMA 9, dude. News rules, yeah, you just can't trade news on these accounts currently. But then again, guys, if you're not happy with the accounts, there's no one's forcing you to get them. But the uncapped payouts beats anything though. Right, we're 10 minutes in this withdrawal. Come on, they need to beat 15 minutes, bro. They got 5 minutes to beat it.
DJ packing record, but he leaves this rhythm running. So I swear that you're tender. Salt on my lip when we spin. Your laugh in my shoulder. Like the night that's in the end.
Oh, my camera, guys. Sorry, my camera keeps cutting out.
Slow smiles, body's humming on and on. Every step I promise, already there. Breathing in the dark with no road. Whoa, last dance before dawn. Hold me like we just met. Soft, slow smile and no regret.
Now retest and then go back up. Let's see. Yo, Funder Pro. Come on. If you're watching this, just do better right now. Approve this payout, bro. Honestly, I wish, bro. Imagine they were watching and they did it for me. Oh. Okay, guys. Can we get this one?
This is our last dance before dawn. Slow smiles, body summing on.
7K disappeared. No, it didn't. What are you talking about? It's there. You're lying to me. Cam bam. Cam bam. The minute that 7K disappears, you guys need to watch it for me. I don't know. But I can't say, guys. I mean, sometimes they can take up to 48 hours to approve payouts. Sometimes it can take up to 48 hours to approve a payout. So I don't know. Let's see. I mean, but recently they've been very quick, very, very instant. So I don't know. On your screen it disappeared. Bro, what are you talking about? You crazy? How is that possible? How's that possible? You're just trying to trick me. I won't lie. I wish I was in this trade.
Your hand in mine. Floor is almost empty. DJ packing record, but he leaves this rhythm right.
Hello?
So I swear that
Guys, look how messed up this phone is. This is like, this phone that you see here is like a really old phone. I use it when I'm streaming because my other phone, like my new one I'm using it as the camera. Look how dinged up this phone is. It's horrible. It looks like from the trash. Anyways. Oh, come on, bro. Might have to wait until, maybe I have to wait until New York Open for my payout, bro. Oh. Guys! No. Is this real? Guys, check. It came out the balance. There, look at my balance right now on the screen, chat. Look at the balance. 10,000. Hold on. No. That was how many? That was 14 minutes, guys. Let me quickly go to my email. Hold on. Let's just make sure that this is being processed. Guys, I think the payout was just processed. Hold on. Hold on, chat. Let me quickly go to my email. Oh, look at that, chat. Hey Cameron, great news. Your reward request is confirmed and it'll be processed soon. You don't have to do anything. Just lay back and wait for the paycheck to come in. Reward amount, $4,011. Woo! Okay, guys, now let's see my crypto. Hold on. Okay, it's not reflected just yet. Holy smokes, guys, that was fast, no? That was fast, no? Whoa! Crazy. Oh, honestly, you must be so behind. Do you know, Bam, stop this right now. Hold on, chat. I'm trying to, let's see if it's hit my crypto. I'm just loading up my crypto wallet. Okay, it hasn't hit my crypto just yet. W Funder Pro, honestly, you guys are on it. You guys are on it, man. Like all of you traders that this is why, dude, I've been trading with them for so long. It's so easy, dude. There we go, guys. Here we go. It's in the crypto. Check. $4,011 moments ago being received. Request. W Funder Pro, guys, everyone hit the like right now. I just received the payout in my crypto in literally 15 minutes, bro. This is actually insane. I don't understand it sometimes, how it's so fast, bro. It's so fast, dude. You guys have seen it. You saw me trade this account from the beginning. You saw me take this account from the starting balance of $200,000 to $217,000, yeah? You saw it all live. You just see me request the payout out of that account and receive it in 15 minutes. What are you guys doing? Do you know how easy trading is if you just actually just follow your plan and make trading simple? Make trading simple, guys. Make trading simple. It's that easy. Oh, now look at this trade. About to hit TP as well, and I'm not even in this trade. I fucking love trading, bro. I love trading, dude. I love trading, bro. Trading is so easy. Look, bro, you don't believe me. There's it in my crypto right now. All of you guys, if you want to start trading Funded Pro, there's a link that I've pinned in the chat. Click that link, sign up, get an account. Uncapped payouts, paid out instant. Not even gonna lie, dude. I'm with other prop firms. They didn't even pay me that fast, man. Yo. Sorry, guys. W Funded Pro, dude. Anyways, let's watch this trade hit take profit because I'm not even in it right now. Damn. All of you guys, appreciate it, man. I appreciate it. The time by me now is 12 o'clock. In the afternoon. Wesley, you'll get a payout, bro. I promise you, Wes, you'll get a payout, dude. For sure. You'll get a payout, dude. You just have to just keep fighting it, bro. Make trading simple again. Yeah. But honestly, you guys make me think of the craziest ideas. I should start making a hat that's red, like Donald Trump's cap, and make it say, make trading simple again. Nifa, you might have just created the most insane idea. I won't even lie. That's so clever. That's a fucking clever thing. We all are on the same. Sorry guys, every time I get paid in crypto I need to just I need to verify where it's coming from before they release it into my account. What? Balance doesn't ask questions. Congrats. I appreciate it. I appreciate it, guys. I appreciate you guys. The sell-off is crazy right now. The sell-off is crazy. Give me one moment, guys. Just give me one moment, please. I just need to go get my charger. Alright. Okay, sorry guys about that. Just had to charge this phone. Come, let's go up. Come. Yo guys, who's in this trade, man? Who's in this beautiful trade, bro? Who's in there? Honestly, guys, I won't be taking a trade right now. I'm late for this entry short. I'm not going to rush anything. I think I'm going to call it quits for today for myself trading. I've taken a payout. I'm good. I don't want to force into anything now. I've missed out on this trade. It's a beautiful trade. So if you guys are in this trade, congrats. Well done, chat. Well done, guys. Guys, drop a like on stream if you're new here. Subscribe. I'm live every single day, 5 days a week. Guys, with that being said, I'm gonna love and leave you. I honestly, I'm not gonna be forcing any trades right now. I'm not gonna take anything on this account. We've had such a great week together. If you're in this trade, congrats, man. Congrats. It's a very nice short. You can probably hold this into the 450 if you're in this trade, or close full position. Do what you please. I'm gonna go enjoy my Friday, and so should you guys. It's a beautiful day outside. We're back on Monday, same time. I'm glad. I'm super stoked I could have taken that payout live with you guys today. That was very, very, very cool. And yeah, I will be ending the stream now. I love you all so much. I appreciate every single one of you being here. If you want to trade Fund the Pro Futures, guys, there's a link in the chat. Click that link.
Slow, slow.